everybody, it's Otelia from Madison Eats and Madison Treats. Welcome to another edition of cocktails. I love this cocktail. This is a great summer bourbon cocktail. This recipe was developed by one of our team members, Amy. She's very talented at making cocktails, and I think you're going to love this one. So what we're going to start out with, it's a maple bourbon tonic, a little bit of mint. So you can start out with about 10 mint leaves at the bottom of your glass and just kind of muddle it, bruise it a little bit. Then to your shaker, you are going to add a tablespoon of maple syrup, 1.5 ounces of bourbon. We love J. Henry small batch bourbon for this recipe, or for any recipe, or anytime. And then ice. Forgot to add ice to my cup, so I'm saving a little bit of it for that. Add the lid and shake. All right. When the shaker's all frosty, that's what I learned is a signal that it's ready. Make sure the lid's on tight. And then strain it over the ice. We used Pattison Sugarbush maple syrup, which I love, local here. And J. Henry bourbon is also local to Dane County, Wisconsin. And then we're gonna just top it with tonic. So this is super easy, just 4 ingredients, which I love. 4 ounces of tonic water. And that's all. You can garnish it with a little bit of fresh mint. Cheers. Happy Father's Day.